Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use the MXQ app. With this app, praise singers and the worship leader will be able to control their own mix in their earbuds. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, type in MX-Q, hit enter to do a search. Now it'll be right here. Just download and install that. Now once it's installed, make sure you're connected to the same network as the Behringer X32. To do this, just go to your Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, and then connect to this NAC_IEM. Once you're connected to that, then you can open up the MXQ app. Just hit allow. Now you can go ahead and turn your phone long ways and hit rescan. For whatever reason, if it don't come up, you can type in the IP address manually and I can give that to you. Or if you just go to your Behringer X32, you can find the IP address on there as well. So once that comes up, this will bring up all of your mix buses. And you have a total of 10 of them. So IEM1 through IEM10. IEM1 corresponds with praise singer mic number 1. IEM number 2 corresponds to praise singer mic number 2, and so on all the way up to number 10. So if you have praise singer mic number 4, let's say for an example, click on IEM number 4. Once this screen pops up, just make sure you have the mixer selected at the top right hand corner. Right now MCA is selected in yellow. Just click on mixer, it'll bring this up. Then if you look at channel number 4, which is praise number 4, it'll show that up. So to be able to move these up or down, all you have to do is just grab a hold of it and go down or up. And then you can add in other praise singers if you want. Then you can add in instruments. All you do is just drag up each one that you want up. Just do a little bit at a time if you want, just to get a feel for how it sounds. And if you don't want to put stuff in, you don't have to. If you only want to hear praise singers and a little bit of keyboard, that's strictly up to you. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, this app isn't available on Android phones. So if you have an Android phone, you can get with another praise singer to adjust your mix during practice, or you can also get with me during practice as well, and I can set it for you. Although this video was made for our local church, you can use the same principles and apply them to your application. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.